I'm Michael Ajay, and I'm here at the Premier Property Club with Cam Devaney. It was a really intense evening. They gave a lot of information mainly on property investing and as well as mindset and being in control of your thoughts and just taking it easy and getting to not being too hard on yourself and just relaxing and taking each day as it comes. Well, Cam is always knowledgeable because he's been in the game for about 20 odd years, and David was my first time hearing him, but it was something different from David. I've never heard a speaker of this kind before, so it was great. My favourite part was how simplistically he explained how to control your thoughts. I thought that was really powerful. Well, I would recommend the event to anyone who's looking to get started in property, anyone who is started in property, and someone who's trying to progress and to reach new heights. Yeah.